Hello everyone and welcome to the video on the current affairs of 17th of March 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. First question. Who introduced the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill? Alright, so we have 5 options as usual. The correct answer in this case is G. Kishan Reddy. Other things that you need to keep in mind with this particular topic is that the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2021 was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 15th of March 2021. Let me just write the number. 15th of March 2021. Alright. And Minister of State for Home G. Kishan Reddy introduced the bill which amends the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Act 1991. Alright. So you need to remember this as well because kabhi-kabhi exams mein koi year of the act which has been amended ka question ho sakta hai. So that is also something you can keep in mind. Let's look at the next one. In March 2021, which country has suspended the use of Oxford AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine over concerns about possible side effects? The correct answer in this case is Netherlands. Alright. Now, Netherlands has suspended the use of Oxford AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine over concerns about possible side effects. The move is precautionary and will be enforced till 29th of March 2021. Alright, let's look at the next one. The Prime Minister of which country will visit India at the end of April 2021? The answer to this is Britain. Alright. Also, who is the Prime Minister? The Prime Minister is Boris Johnson and he will visit India at the end of April 2021. Let's look at the next one. In Jammu and Kashmir, Agriculture Department organized a day-long Kisan Mela at Agriculture Complex in which district in March 2021? The correct answer in this case is Kupwara. Just a minute, let me get my pen. Yeah, the answer is Kupwara. Alright. Next one. Inter-Parliamentary Union, which is the IPU, President Duarte Pacheco is on a week-long visit to India on the invitation of the Indian Parliament in March 2021. In which year was the IPU formed? The correct answer in this case is 1889. Alright. The Inter-Parliamentary Union IPU President Duarte Pacheco is on a week-long visit to India on the invitation of the Indian Parliament in March 2021. He will address the Parliament members under the auspices of the Indian Parliamentary Group, which is IPG, in Central Hall of Parliament House on 16th of March 2021. Remember this number, guys. Kabhi-kabhi us pe bhi questions ho sakte hai. Let's get the next one. Juvenile Justice, which is Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021, seeks to amend which of the following acts? The correct answer in this case is Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Okay, so basically, if the year bhi yaad rakhenge, to bhi it's going to be enough. But just be careful with the year, you may get confused. Alright, let's look at the next one. In March 2021, who inaugurated the 6th Mega Health Camp in Parliament House Annex for super specialist consultations of parliamentarians? The correct answer in this case is the first option, which is Om Birla. Now, the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla inaugurated the 6th Mega Health Camp in Parliament House Annex on 15th of March. 15th of March, again, ये date याद रखना है. 15th of March 2021 for super specialist consultations on parliamentarians. Apart from usual services, super specialist consultations will be offered to members of parliament. Alright, let's look at the next one. The government has approved financial assistance of how many rupees each in respect of death cases of journalists due to COVID-19? The answer in this case is rupees 5 lakhs. Alright. The Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill, which is in 2021, tends to amend the Minerals Development and Regulation Act of which year? Okay, the correct answer in this case is 1957. A tripartite concession agreement has been signed between the National Commission of Clean Ganga, which is NMCG, UP Jal Nigam, and GA Infra Private Limited, Lahoti Buildcon Limited, for the development of sewage treatment plants, which is STPs, for which city? The correct answer is Moradabad. All right. Next one. The Insurance Amendment Bill 2021, seeking an increase in the FDI limit to how much percent in the domestic insurance companies, was introduced in the Rajya Sabha in March 2021. The correct answer is 74%. Alright. So what you need to remember is that ye production ke pehle, what was the percentage? The percentage was 49% FDI investment, which turned now to 74%. Rajya Sabha passed the National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management Bill 2019 in March 2021. These institutes are situated in which of the following cities? Now, there's a clue here is that in the question itself, it mentions cities. So it cannot be a single city that we are talking about, guys. So it either has to be 4 or 5, and the correct answer is 5, all of the 3, which is Kundli, Thanjavur and Madurai. Alright. In March 2021, who addressed a seminar with district officers from districts with high rates of crime against women and children? The answer is Smriti Irani. Alright. Now, Women and Child Development Minister Smriti Irani addressed the seminar. During the seminar, discussions were held on important umbrella schemes, which is like Poshan Abhiyan, Mission Shakti and Mission Vatsalya. Alright. Ratan Tata, in his personal capacity, acquired a stake in Pritish Nanda Communication (PNC) in March 21. In which year was Pritish Nanda Communications founded? All right, the correct answer in this is 1993. Okay. The National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill 2021 aims to amend the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Act of which year? The correct answer is 1998. In March 2021, US Senate has confirmed whom as the Secretary of the Interior. Okay, the correct answer is Dave Haaland. Alright. She becomes the first Native American to lead a cabinet agency on securing a central role in President Joe Biden's plan to fight climate change. She became one of the first 2 Native American women elected to Congress in 2018. Alright. In March 2021, who had a comprehensive discussion with UK Minister of State for Foreign Commonwealth and Development Affairs Tariq Ahmed in New Delhi? The correct answer is Harsh V. Shringla. Alright. Foreign Secretary Harsh V. Shringla had a comprehensive discussion with the UK Minister of State for Foreign Commonwealth and Development Affairs Tariq Ahmed in New Delhi on 15th of March 2021. There are a lot of things that happened on 15th of March 2021. So you need to keep a track of all of those. It was on issues of bilateral and multilateral India-UK cooperation. Right? In March 2021, in which of the following states or union territories Chinar Day was observed? Chinar Day was observed in Jammu and Kashmir. Right? Adani Group's subsidiary, which is Adani Ports and Special Economic Zones Limited, which is APSEZ, has bagged the contract to develop and operate West Container Terminal WCT in which country? The correct answer in this case is Sri Lanka. Okay. The last one. In March 2021, which of the following high courts allowed a transgender woman to seek admission into the National Cadet Corps? The correct answer is Kerala High Court. Okay, this comes days after Hina Hanifa had moved a petition challenging a section of the NCC Act that only allowed males and females to enroll with the Cadet Corps. The court also directed the NCC to amend its enrollment criteria and allow the entry of transgender people in the Cadets Corps. Alright, that's it for today. I will meet you guys tomorrow with the current affairs of 18th March 2021.